Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we are going to unbox the PS5 God of War Ragnarök edition. So let's get started on the box. So we can clearly see this is the PS5 with the disc version. It comes with the controller and the game. So let's take a quick look at the box. The front. On the side we get a nice picture here, PS5 SONY. On the back it comes with a 825 gigabyte of storage, and you need 91 to play the game. It comes with. On the side we have everything inside the console here. Down there not much. So let's get this open. So due to the size of the box, I apologize for moving the camera so much. So let's get this open. So I can see this was... the seal tape was poorly put on there, or it was open. I don't no idea. We are going to open and find out if it was open or not. Put this like that. Okay. So let's take a quick look at what's inside. So we have a huge white box. I'll put that here in the back. So we have this huge white box with the PlayStation logo and nothing on either side. Let's open that side up. We have instruction. So we are meant to open like that. Okay. So we have to put it, to lay it on the side like that. Okay, so we got one box. Let's check what's inside. So we have the code for the game. There's the code for the game here, which I'm going to put on to the side. Oh no, my mistake. You can actually see the code is... so that's what you get. This is, unfortunately, you get the digital version of the game and not the game on a CD. What else do we got? Some instructions here. We have the stand. which we'll put to the side. Got some HDMI cable here. The power cord. And we have the controller, which we are going to take a look after. Right now, with a nice shade of white. It is smaller than a PS4 controller here. Put that here. We have the cable for the controller here. And nothing else on that box. We'll put that to the side. And now we get to the main event. The console here. Okay, so that's gonna be hard to take out. There we go. Let's put that on the side. That. And there's the console. Let's take this out. Oops. My bad. There we can see the console here. And there it is. The back. As you can see, it can stand on its own. And it does come with the disk drive here. So this is everything you get in the box. So we have everything you get in the box. You get the PS5, one controller, one USB cable for the controller here, the stand, and the power cable, and one HDMI cable. And you get the game also. So that's it. That was my unboxing of the PS5 God of War Ragnarök editions. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.